Aiden was driving his Ford Edge when a Subaru driver made a right turn across his lane. Aiden had no chance to react before colliding with the Subaru that had illegally blocked his lane. The impact was severe enough to put both drivers in the hospital. Conveniently, the collision happened right in front of a tow truck business, and 2 tow trucks immediately cleared their vehicles from the street. Aiden wanted to thank the police officers, firefighters, and paramedics for responding and for treating them with care. Here comes some more flashing traffic lights. We all know what to do when a traffic light flashes red, right? I guess that driver didn't know what to do, but they quickly found out when a police officer pulled them over for some instant justice. Justin was headed straight through a green light when an oncoming driver made an unprotected left turn across Justin's lane.
A crash has been
Justin couldn't avoid T-boning the turning Hyundai. Incredibly, nobody was seriously injured in the collision. When he called roadside assistance to have his car towed, they sent a contracted tow truck operator. The towing company then held onto his Honda Civic until the other driver's insurance provider paid them for the tow, which meant he didn't get paid for his totaled car until 3 months later. Craig was passing a trailer full of portable toilets when he was suddenly struck by a crappy situation. The wind pushed one of the porta-potties off the trailer and it rocketed into the front of Craig's car. Thankfully, the driver took responsibility for the incident and the company paid to repair Craig's car. They also paid for his rental car while he waited 9 weeks for parts. All told, it cost them $17,000 after a failed strap made them lose their crap. Lawrence was approaching an intersection with a green light when it changed to yellow just as he began to enter it. He wasn't the only one entering it, though. A pickup driver from the right ran his red light in front of Lawrence, and only by slamming on his brakes was he able to avoid T-boning it. Lawrence told us the pickup driver looked at him as if he was in the wrong. Sorry, buddy, this dashcam footage confirms your light was definitely red. Lawrence told us our videos have made him more aware of his surroundings, and he's glad he was able to react to avoid a collision. Ryan had parked his Nissan Sentra in a restaurant parking lot and was enjoying some Mexican food when another driver backed into his car. After the collision, the other driver stopped to examine the damage to his own vehicle, but then he just left. He made no attempt to find the owner of the car he'd hit. Little did he know, Ryan's car had a dash cam, and its parking mode had captured his vehicle, his license plate number, and even his face. When Ryan discovered the damage, he went straight to the cops with his footage. The police easily found the driver using the plate number before paying him a visit at home. After finding the SUV in question parked in the driveway, check out the conversation the officer had with the guy.
I'll be right up front with you. The car you bumped into had a camera in it.
The other driver ended up being cited for the collision, and it also turned out he wasn't insured. Ryan's insurance provider is now pursuing the guy to pay for the $1,700 repair bill after they replaced his front bumper cover. Dina was driving down a highway where the speed limit drops from 70 to 55 miles per hour as it goes through a small town. Another driver didn't know about the speed change, or didn't care, but I bet they won't forget it next time. A South Dakota Highway Patrol trooper coming the other way clocked the speeder with his forward-facing radar and made a U-turn to chase them down. It looks like they slowed down to avoid a ticket, but it was too late. Dina told us she had a big grin on her face as she drove by the driver, getting a taste of instant justice. She also thanked us for our dashcam recommendations, so if you need one for your ride, check out the link in the description. Micah was approaching an intersection with a green light when another driver suddenly pulled in front of him. With no way to stop his Nissan Pathfinder in time, Micah was forced to rear-end the meandering minivan. The impact totaled his Pathfinder, but thankfully, its airbags protected everyone inside from any injuries. This emitter was going 80 miles per hour down a highway when another vehicle lost a wheel and he had to slam on the brakes to avoid hitting it as it went rolling down the highway. Thankfully, the other driver was able to safely pull over. The wheel climbed the median and went bouncing toward oncoming traffic, but our submitter told us he didn't see anyone hit it. Always pay attention to your surroundings. In a textbook example of why you should always close the gap, Bennett was taking his son Noah to get food for his wife Paige when a pickup driver cut through a gap left by oncoming traffic. The double yellow lines in the road make turning left out of that parking lot illegal, so the pickup driver shouldn't have attempted it, and the SUV driver shouldn't have left a gap for it. Close the gap. It's not courteous, it's dangerous. Bennett's insurance provider found the pickup driver responsible, but it took 3.5 weeks for them to find out the pickup driver had given Bennett the wrong insurance information. Fixing Bennett's Nissan Altima took 2.5 months and $18,000 US, but eventually everything got taken care of. Bennett wanted to shout out his wife for staying calm after the collision. It turned out the collision was also captured by a nearby security cam. If you want to see more security cam videos, don't forget to subscribe to Wham Bam Security Cam. We'll put a link to the channel at the end of this video. This emitter was driving home from work when he found himself in traffic behind a Tesla Model X, and he had no idea it was about to be today's Tesla behaving badly.
That Tesla man can't drive.
In retrospect, the existing damage to the rear hatch should have been a red flag. Our submitter said the Model X driver tried to blame him for the collision, even saying he'd been speeding and driving recklessly before rear-ending him. Between our submitter's dashcam footage and the witness statement of the pickup driver in the other lane, the Tesla driver's claims were easy to disprove. Only after calling the police would the Tesla driver give him his information. Even then, the insurance info he provided ended up being fake. This Model X driver may be the worst behaved Tesla driver we've ever featured. Good job, buddy. At least you're the best at something. Tom was driving when another driver crossed not one, but 2 lanes to reach a parking lot. Tom's Jeep Grand Cherokee was going between 35 and 40 miles per hour, and he wasn't able to stop before T-boning the Nissan. The collision did $7,000 US of damage to Tom's Jeep, but thankfully, the Nissan driver admitted fault. And what was the reason he provided for his abrupt and illegal maneuver? He told Tom he needed to go to the bathroom. This emitter was entering a highway when a pickup driver suddenly decided to merge onto the ramp lane right in front of him. Our submitter threaded the needle between the pickup and the highway barrier, saving his Dodge Charger from a collision. This submitter watched a Prius driver with the right-of-way run into another car turning across his path.
That's a wham bam.
Our submitter waited with the victim until the police arrived, and he gave them a copy of his dashcam footage. He told us the turning driver had no license or insurance, and the Prius driver was only a block from home. Both vehicles were sadly totaled by the collision, but thankfully nobody was injured, and the Nissan Leaf on the other side of the intersection wasn't affected either. Our submitter told us he bought the dashcam we recommend after watching our videos, and he also wanted to shout out his wife of 27 years. Will was on his way home when he noticed drivers ahead stopping even though the traffic light was green. It turned out that everyone was stopping for a driver making an illegal U-turn up ahead. A sheriff's deputy also noticed the infraction and immediately turned on his party lights to administer some instant justice. Will mentioned in a previous submission that he wanted to upgrade to a Cybertruck. For $5, he was able to make his dreams a reality. We'll put a link to the episode containing his previous video at the end, just in case you missed it. Jesse was driving down a Washington highway when he watched a speeding driver suddenly lose control before colliding with a concrete barrier. It looks like another vehicle ahead of the Chrysler started merging into the same lane, and the driver's overcorrection caused the loss of control. Jesse pulled over and called 911 to report the collision. The state patrol called him back later that day, and he provided them with a copy of this footage. Benjamin was driving down a Florida highway when a trucker in an exit lane suddenly realized he was in an exit lane. So suddenly, in fact, that he didn't have time to notice Benjamin next to him before changing lanes. The frustrating part was that Benjamin was also in an exit lane, and he was forced to come to a stop on the highway so he wouldn't miss his exit. Thankfully, no collisions occurred. Xander was driving behind an RV when he watched a parked car back out of a parking space and right into the RV as it was driving by. Xander gave the RV driver a copy of his dashcam footage, and he told us he'd only had his dashcam for 2 weeks when this happened. Thankfully, the car driver admitted fault. Lax was headed home when he had a stare down with an opossum. And yes, this is an opossum and not a possum, which is a different animal. You can tell because it has a white face, a bare tail, and it's in North America. He also sent us a photo of the skunk he captured in a previous submission, next to his Mustang Mach-E, which features an awesome accessory on the quarter panels. Get some for your car at the link in the description. Go watch our latest Wham Bam security cam video and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Or watch this video to check out Will's previous submission when he spotted something very surprising in the middle of a busy highway.
Wham, bam, we got a Patreon man. Please support the show.